The 2017 Department of the Navy Forum for SBIR STTR Transition, the FST, was a tremendous success. The 3-day 17th annual FST offered 98 small businesses and conference goers opportunities to learn, develop relationships, and see some of the latest technologies offered by small business to the Department of the Navy. When it comes to bringing their best technology solutions to the Department of the Navy, small companies deliver innovation. Co-located with this year's Sea Air Space Exposition, the FST furthered participation across Navy acquisition communities, warfighters, and prime contractors. FST exhibitors had the opportunity to show and discuss their technologies with Navy and Marine Corps leaders, industry prime contractors, system command representatives, top government officials, and each other. Connections were made with an FST exhibiting small business QSpin and the aviation systems engineering company ASIC. QSpin develops miniature magnetometers. Their sensors are low power and lightweight, a perfect combination to ASIC's innovative UAV quadcopter. Together, they offer a highly maneuverable sub-hunter.
The FST has been great because we've been talking for months with ASIC about putting one of our sensors on one of these quadcopters, but this gave us the actual opportunity to run our sensor next to the quadcopter and see how it performs.
So what we're doing working with QSpin, they've got this sensor that is about 5 times better than what we had in the P3, but now we can put on a quadcopter that just weighs a kilogram and deploy it from aircraft. Instead of using an aircraft to drop down low, let the quadcopter do it.
The FST featured keynote speakers who honed in on important aspects of the road to success for small business. The Honorable Steve Knight, House Armed Services Committee, addressed the significance of acquisition reform.
We have to move, and we have to move with agility. And that's where Chairman Thornberry talks about so often, is if we're going to have an acquisition process that can move, then let's do it. SBIR and STTR are very, very important, and I will always be a supporter because I see it on a daily basis of how the programs work and what is the benefit.
Attendees had the opportunity to learn more about exhibiting small business technologies during 10-minute information-packed tech talks offered throughout the 3-day event. And conference goers were able to schedule one-on-one networking meetings with an exhibiting small business through the FST's virtual transition marketplace. An FST panel delved into key areas that lead to small business success. The Realizing Fleet Savings through SBIR STTR panel was hosted by Thomas Meany, President and CEO of Microsystems, and included individuals from NAVAIR, NAVSEA, and Lockheed Martin.
Very important that we get those topics in that apply into whether it's F-35 or a ship or a helicopter, that apply to those sustainment type technologies. We've got to see those sustainment type technologies so that we can realize those savings, 5, 6, and 7 years out.
Innovative solutions were featured throughout the exhibits, including one from Anchor Technology. The company is developing software technology making it possible to rapidly generate and evaluate large numbers of shipboard distribution system alternatives.
The FST Forum has been one of the key parts of moving our business forward. It's enabled us to meet with the key decision makers within the Navy and within NAVSEA. The top 6 people that were on my bucket list of who I wanted to meet with have been at our booth by 9 o'clock on Monday morning.
The 3-day 2017 Department of the Navy SBIR STTR Forum, the FST, came to a successful close with much knowledge gained by small businesses and attendees alike. FST planners are already looking ahead to 2018, where small companies participating in the STP program will once again showcase their technologies that continue to make a big impact on the Navy mission of the future.